Today is a cleanup day. Got all this junk to clean up. But before that, we have one job to take care of. That lock. I'm making a new file right here.
Yeah, I don't want to call that all.
Fuck. Guess I left this outside too long. There's a well here. Wouldn't that be interesting?
Should be city water.
But if this plot,
Yeah, I wonder why they put that there though.
this
Yeah.
plot's from the 1820s though, remember?
Oh yeah, I guess then they probably would. There might have been a well then, yeah. Holy crap.
It's pretty dead, isn't it? I'll get the pressure washer. Good.
Omega sign.
Yeah. Oh, here.
That's it.
Hey, Bill, I think we can just finish this with rear red brick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe make a little mound so whatever that is, it's underground. We're just kicking it.
Yeah.
Hey, you've been busy.
Yeah, we got looks like a big tree root over there.
Yeah. Was there a big tree here?
Well, look at this. I think this is a big root.
Looks like there was probably a big tree here.
Yeah. All this plant material is growing out of this.
Yeah, a stolon. That's what it's called, a stolon. Closer. Yeah, get a bit closer because you can see some lines. I mean, it doesn't matter because it's like 1 week of dirt you're getting leaving behind, but whatever.
is. It's cleaner than all the neighbors now.
Yeah, now you have the cleanest driveway. Or the sidewalk. Hey, could I have some help with the water heater?
Oh, yeah.
Be free, water heater. Be free. Watch out, it's very slippery here. Where should we put it?
I guess if this is going to be the storeroom.
No, no, we don't want it to be in here because it's going to be wet.
Okay.
This is going to be like the garbage room.
Okay. Oh, yeah, garbage room.
We're just putting it down here for it to dry out because, after all, it wasn't a building that was flooded, so, and on fire. So that tends to go hand in hand these days. We have like you have more damage from the water after the fire than you do from the fire itself.
In this case, yeah.
Yeah.
The little switch that clicks it on and off
Yeah,
is not working anymore.
Your little light went out.
Yeah.
Oh well. And this ramp is just fucking terrible.
Yeah. You know, and
That's just a death trap waiting to happen. Well, for me at least, because my boots are slick.
They poured cement. It's like, why couldn't they have just put in a couple steps? Or
Well, they might have had steps.
Oh, and just went right over it?
I don't know.
That's possible. Which can sit there for a while. Those are nice piles of cleanup material.
So we haven't finished the cleanup video, and it just occurred to me, it's been 2 weeks since you've lived here. So we should just go over, like, last night you finished cleaning up. You moved a bunch of stuff to the basement, right?
Yeah.
Got the space heaters all cleaned up.
Don't need the space heaters anymore, so
because the furnace is working and it feels nice in here.
Oh, it's so fantastic. So they've all been cleaned and they're ready to be returned. All that crap that was here, and we had all these boards strewn around, so I just piled it all here. Brought the pressure washer in, nobody to mess with that.
But the main thing I noticed now is, look at that sidewalk. Oh my god.
Yeah. Dads must have did that.
Oh, such assholes.
Yeah, they didn't shred it up too bad. But
yeah, but still. Just, I love that. Looks so nice.
I know, it's actually a joy to walk on.
Yeah.
It's a little uneven, but
whatever.
Tree roots have done that.
Yeah, we might make a crane to like pick it up and put sand underneath there. And the sidewalk's looking good.
Debris up into a couple of little piles. Took out all the crappy plant material that I never liked.
Because that stuff, it was just weeds.
Yeah, and it's holds all that moisture against the house. I never cared for that.
We should probably call it there, because that's pretty much it for the cleaning up. Now we're going to make an even bigger mess, ripping up more shingles. Oh.
Yeah, we just cleaned this up and we're going to debris it up again.
Yeah, maybe we should move some of the plastic down here to catch stuff.
We still have to run through the lawn with the magnet though.
Yeah, that's true. So, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya.